Hey everybody. Okay, so I really did not want to have to show this video, but I feel like at this point in time I need some accountability. And my friend Sandy from the Thrifty Grandma Sandy. I will post her channel link down below. She is doing the same thing as I am, trying to get organized with her craft space. And she showed a video of her craft room space. So I thought, you know what, I should probably do the same. Now I've already started cleaning and purging and sorting. So I'm not showing you the worst of it, but it's still pretty bad. I am going to just show you where I am hauling everything out and sorting. And just so you know, our basement is unfinished. So we have this little air hockey table, and I've just put everything on it just to give me space to sort things. And I've hauled some things out of my craft room and some things out of my other storage area, and I've just put it on the floor. Whoops, tripping over things already. I know, I've got a lot of stuff. This is just like a tiny little bit. And a tiny bit over here. This cupboard holds extra school supplies, but I also have some stuff up on top of there. Okay, so now I am actually going to show you my space. Like I had said, this is an unfinished basement. So I took a space in our unfinished basement and I created myself a craft room. So there's a post there that's holding up the beam, and I put fabric there. And then there's two bookshelves on this side that are acting as walls. And this is like my entrance. And you just come in. I'll just give you a quick peek. I'm not going to show you the whole thing until after. But there is the war zone. This is where my creativity happens, but as you can see, it's a disaster. And this, believe it or not, is clean. I had stuff on the floor everywhere. And there was debris all over the floor. And it had become such a hazard that I had to just clean it up first before I could even do anything at all. But yeah, this table ends up becoming such a bad dumping ground. And this is my workspace. But like, yeah. And things just get dumped there. So I really need to like sort and organize. That's my daughter's little section, and she is just as bad as her mom. And yeah, I got way too much stuff. So sorry if you are getting dizzy. All right, so I'm gonna take you out. I'll go over how I created that room once I have my organizing video all complete for you. But right now I'm just going to take you into another section of the basement. We don't have any drywall up. So I just put fabric up for now. And this used to be just a heaping pile of a mess. I had Christmas stuff everywhere in here and it was just sitting here. So I've already started to organize this, believe it or not. But this is a huge cabinet that my dad had made for my mom, and they downsized and my dad gave it to me. And so I've already hauled everything out of there, pretty much. It's kind of hard to see because the lighting isn't that great. But you can kind of see, like, that was an example right there of how cluttered it was. And here I've already started to organize. So, and there's another cluttered shelf I haven't got to yet. And then this is like all gift wrap and gift bags, a mirror, fabric, and there's some more junk over here. I know, it's bad. I told you it was bad. So I've got a lot of work ahead of me. I've actually done a really good portion of it all already. And there's like stuff mixed in here that's like my kids, because there's stuffies, and some old wreaths that I have made. So yeah, anyways, so that is the war zone, the disaster that is my craft supplies, and I'm really working hard at getting it organized.